What if the most valuable currency isn't money but your energy? Here's the habit that sets the wealthy apart. Before every purchase, they ask, will this expense conserve or enhance my personal energy? It's a filter that transforms spending from impulsive to intentional. Imagine you're choosing between a $200 ergonomic chair or a $200 night out. One boosts your focus and comfort for years, the other offers fleeting fun. The wealthy know that investments which protect their energy, like quality sleep, healthy meals, or efficient tools, pay massive dividends. Why? Because energy fuels productivity, creativity, and decision making. When you spend with energy in mind, you're not just buying things, you're buying more time at your best. That's the real edge. Every unnecessary drain, late nights, junk food, clutter, chips away at your potential. The wealthy prioritize expenses that free up mental space and physical stamina. Their spending isn't about deprivation, it's about optimizing for a life where their best self can show up daily. That's the real wealth filter. Spend to multiply your energy, and wealth follows.